In this video, we will look at licensing, editions, and feature tiers in WordMorpher. WordMorpher is organized into feature tiers. The application interface may show all tabs, but some functions may be limited depending on the edition you are using. If a function is not available in your current tier, WordMorpher will show that the feature is unavailable and that a higher edition is required. You can open the Buy App window from the main menu. This window shows which features are included in each tier. Tier 1 includes search, Word to PDF, Basic Replace, and Doc to DOCX conversion. This tier is useful for users who mainly need to search documents, convert Word files to PDF, perform basic text replacement, and convert older Word formats. Tier 2 includes everything from Tier 1, plus basic compare, watermark, header, footer, page numbers, and backup and restore sessions. This tier is useful when you need safer document workflows, document marking, page numbering, and basic comparison. Tier 3 includes everything from Tier 2, plus advanced replace, fix file, watch files, translate, print, and export logs. This tier is useful for users who need more advanced automation, repair tools, translation, printing, monitoring changed files, and keeping operation records. Tier 4 is the full version. It includes everything from Tier 3, plus OCR, PDF tools, future advanced desktop workflow features, priority support, advanced compare, and future workflow improvements. This is the best option if you want access to the full WordMorpher workflow. The current edition is also shown in the application title or license information. For example, it may show Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, or full version. If you purchase or activate a license, WordMorpher stores the licensing information and uses it to unlock the correct features. Some features may also require external tools. For example, LibreOffice may be needed for some document conversion and repair functions. Tesseract OCR is needed for OCR features. Licensing controls which WordMorpher features are available. External tools control whether some technical operations can actually run on your computer. If a feature does not work, check both: whether your edition includes the feature and whether the required external tool is installed. The Buy App window is the easiest place to review the feature tiers. For more details, open the product page from the Buy App window. This concludes the main WordMorpher video guide. You can now use the individual videos as a practical reference for each part of the application.